Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Viola from Viola Brown Nail Cover Lover. This is what I got for Christmas from my daughter and my son-in-law. And please don't pay no attention to my nasty nails. Been doing some cleaning and yeah, some are broken. These are sore and I'm not putting it on them right now. I broke that one off and really jacked it up. Well anyways, let's get into my video. This is an unboxing of the stuff I got for Christmas. And I got some Azure base and top coat. Let's check this out. And yes, I didn't have none of this, guys. If I can get it out of the box, it's well packaged. Oh, good mercy. There we go. Wow. Anyways, here it is. These are, it is 12 mils. It says, problem, contact the customer to get fast support. And that's the top it off top coat and the foundation base gel. So I got those from them. And then the next thing I got was Azure Gel Polish Collection Soak Off Gels UV LED Nail Gel. Look at there. Got the little dots and everything that goes with them. Oh, the little bitty bottles. Oh, cute. Oh, boy. Out. There's 6 of them in here, guys. I don't know the colors yet. But let's see. Let's do some swatching on these little dots here, guys. And this one is Azure 7521. Let's see what color this is. Oh, it's glitter, silver glitter. Let's put that on there. And this one is Azure 7522. Oh, look at that. It's pink glitter. So pretty. And then there is 7509. These must be a glitter collection, guys. Yes. This one is 7525. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, wow. These are beautiful. Oh, look at that. And this one is 7502. Oh, did I tell you guys this one? Yeah. 7502, and then the last but not least is 7533. Oh wow, guys, these are gorgeous. Yep, this must have been a glitter collection. I am loving it. Here, I'm gonna put these in and let them cook. Alrighty, now let's get these set aside. Now, I got me this nail extension gel. Look at the dust on it where it's been sitting from the cart. Let's see what's in this bad baby. Oh, looky, looky, looky. Oh, I finally got their soak off base gel and their top coat, guys. Extension gel, and it gives you all the instructions and stuff. And it gives you dual forms, which I never use, hardly ever. And I got the McCart file in the kit. I'll stick in there. And the McCart brush and spatula. It's got a spatula on one end. It's got the McCart emblem. And there's the brush. Yes. Loving that. Set that aside. And it comes with the Soak Off Base Gel 8 ml. And a Soak Off Gel Top It Off, which is a top coat. Ooh, let's see what these are. This one is 001 Clear. 006 Bright White. 008 Natural Pink. 009 Dark Pink. 015 Light Pink. And 018 Misty Rose. Alrighty now. Let's put some of these on. Where is my... Oh well, let's get this open if I can, guys. Can't seem to find my tweezers. Seriously? Alrighty. Let's just put a little dab here. That's the Misty Rose. Next is the Light Pink. Oh boy, this one's hard to get out. The first one has a little bit more sheer consistency, and this one's got like more of a thicker polygel. And then next we have the Dark Pink. And then we have the Natural Pink. And then we have the Bright White. I don't know if it's going to show up on this towel, but yeah, it did. These little dots everywhere now. And last but not least is the Clear. And there's the Clear. And that's what they all look like, guys. I greatly appreciate you guys coming and seeing what I got for Christmas from my son and my daughter-in-law. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and share and hit the bell for all new uploads. And if you've been here with me, I so greatly appreciate you guys. And yeah, so if you would, just do that. And leave me a comment of what you think about my channel. Alright guys, I will let you go. See you later.